reflection of my deepest needs. You were there, I knew, now you know. When we met, I swear I came alive. My heart turned to jelly and I'm googly-eyed. Same old story with a zesty twist. I'm ready to relax in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's spend our time, babe.
Oh shit, the MX5 is insured today. So guys, the MX5 is now insured for the year. I'm so excited. I've done a lot of changes since I last driven it last year. I've done wheels, they're wider. I think they're a little bit lighter. I've done I've done the exhaust system. I've done all various other bits. I've put the stickers on, and I'm really excited to drive it. I've never actually had a car with an exhaust system, not even a catback system or nothing, or even a back box. So actually I'm really excited to drive a car that actually sounds nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm so excited, I've just got to drive it. So let's go and take it for a drive. Instantly after getting in this car, I forgot how stiff the suspension is. You can probably see the camera actually shaking quite a bit. There is such a massive difference between my Astra and the MX5. Like, it's so stiff in comparison, and the steering is like really responsive. I'm gonna have to get used to the indicators being on the other side again. That is quite a weird thing to get used to. The car's a little warm. I really just want to hear how the exhaust sounds. So let's have a quick listen. Oh, that sounds so nice, and it's not overly loud either. Like, it's such a subtle sound, especially when the roof's up. I really want to hear it with the roof down, so we might have to stop in a minute, take the roof down, and then have another listen. I'm actually really nervous driving this for some reason. It's quite weird. Another thing I've got to do is I've actually got to do quite a few harsh brakes, because I haven't driven this since changing the actual brake pads, so they're probably not like wore in or seated in or nothing properly yet. So we can't go too fast because I've got to be careful about that. Let's give it some. This guy's up my arse already. I wonder if that's just because my car sounds nice now. Like, maybe he wants a little bit of a race. I don't know. It's probably not that. He's probably just a little bit impatient, because this guy is doing like 35. We might have to do another. Oh no, he's turning right. We don't have to overtake. Right guys, I'm going to stop because I want to take the roof down because I want to hear how it actually sounds a bit more open. So let's pull over quickly. We'll take the roof down. Cool, I've missed this guys. This is really nice having the open top. Let's give it a few revs, shall we? Oh, that sounds so good. I did actually say no entry, but oh well. That exhaust, this is the first exhaust system I've had, and it just sounds so nice. It's not even droney when you're driving at like 60. It just sounds really, this is the sound I was like imagining kind of thing. I'm so glad I didn't go for that hooch 4-inch tip, but this road is really bumpy. We'll wait till we get on a straight and we'll give it a few revs with the roof down. Oh, this is beautiful. The sun has just come out. We just got to a straight. So now let's hear the exhaust with the roof down. Well, that does sound fucking nice. That sounds so good. It's not too loud or droney either. I really like it. Oh, it's so sunny, I think we actually need some sunglasses. That's better. I know what I want to hear. I want to hear like this car going through like between some tight walls or something, so to try and make the exhaust sound echo a little bit. I think that would sound really cool. I know just where to go. No, it doesn't. Here we are guys, there's some tight walls just ahead. I think the sound's going to echo off them really nicely. Let's see how it sounds, shall we? That sounds so good. I just like the perfect amount of loudness, I think. The only way I could improve on that is to get like some performance headers or something. It just sounds, that sounds so good. Loving how this car is at the moment. It's at such a good state at the moment. So there you go, the car is insured guys, and for the moment it's mostly going to stay the same for the rest of the summer because I just really want to drive it at the moment. I haven't really tested the handling out too much because there's not really anywhere to do that around here. There's not too many windy roads, but I'm sure you'll see me testing this car out. I might even take it to a track, I don't know, but hopefully. That was a nice Golf. Hopefully, maybe I'll take the MX5 on a few trips or take it to car meets and stuff now, that'd be really cool. So I hope you like this video guys, it's a bit of a different style. I'm really glad to be driving the MX5 again, and I'll see you next time.